Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see who liked a photo on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, the process is now smoother and more user-friendly than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily check out who's engaging with your content, all from your computer. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your PC. If you haven't done this yet, simply head to the Microsoft Store, search for Instagram, and install the app. Once you're set up, open the Instagram app and log in with your account details. Now, let's get started. Begin by navigating to your profile or the profile where the photo you're interested in is located. Scroll through the posts until you find the specific photo you want to check. Take your time and make sure you've selected the right one. Once you've found the photo, look just below the image. You'll see a number that represents how many people have liked the post. This is the likes count, and it's your gateway to see exactly who has interacted with your photo. Go ahead and click on the likes count. Instantly, a new window or panel will pop up, displaying a list of all the users who have liked that photo. You can scroll through this list to see everyone, from your close friends to new followers who appreciate your content. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep track of your audience, engage with your supporters, or simply satisfy your curiosity about who's enjoying your posts. With the new update, Instagram has made it even easier to connect with your community, right from your desktop. So that's all there is to it. Open the Instagram app on your PC, find your photo, click on the likes count, and see all the likes in one convenient place. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram on your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling!